Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Confirm the battery code stamped on the back so you buy the correct cell. Lay the stopwatch face down on a soft cloth, remove or loosen the strap to expose screws. Use the smallest driver that fits. This prevents cam out and stripped heads. If the back is a snap fit, wedge a plastic tool into the seam and twist slowly to avoid warping. Once open, use a magnifier to locate the battery and note any clips or seals for reassembly. With the case open, you now remove the old cell carefully. Photograph the battery orientation so reinstallation is exact. Use non-conductive tweezers or a plastic pick to free the battery from its retaining clip. Metal tools can short the board. Inspect the contacts. If you see corrosion, dab with isopropyl alcohol and let dry so the new cell makes solid contact. Insert the replacement matching polarity, press it into place until the clip clicks, and double-check the display powers on before closing. Once the new battery is seated, you reassemble with care. Reposition any gasket, align the backplate, and fasten screws evenly to avoid warping. Turn the stopwatch face up and set the time and functions so you confirm every control works. Make sure buttons depress smoothly and there's no moisture inside. If it does not power on, remove the back and re-verify polarity and contact cleanliness, reseat the battery. Or try a fresh cell, dirty contacts, or...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.